How's it going, everyone? I haven't made a video on this channel for a really long time, but I'm going to start a new series and hopefully you guys will like it. It's going to be all the stuff, it's prepping, survival, homesteading, emergency preparedness items that I find at thrift stores, just to show you that you can get prepared, get more self-sufficient for not that much money. I go to the thrift store 5 days a week for my business, so while I'm there, I'll just look for this stuff too. And I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 things today, which I think is under like maybe $18. So I'll just show you really fast. This is a folding saw. It's made in Taiwan, so that tells you it's a little bit older. The newer stuff is going to be made in China, so Taiwan is probably late 90s, if I had to guess. Get some good use out of it. You are, of course, not going to, chop an entire forest down, but this is good to put in your bug out bag, in your car. Maybe it's a good item to get your teenage kids or tweens into preparedness by just giving them little stuff like this. Safety first, of course. So that was $1.50. I left the price tags on, but you can't probably see them. Next thing is this thermometer. We have one just like it. Doesn't have any batteries. I haven't tested it, but it's clean enough, and it takes a 9-volt battery. And these are super awesome if you have little kids when they have fevers, because you don't have to really wake them up to take their temperature. You start here, push the button to there, gives you a quick reading. Remember, with temporal thermometers, they're going to be a little off. So you might take an oral temperature, it might be 100. Across your forehead will be 99. So just keep that in mind. If you put it at 99, this is probably more like 100. But anyway, nerding out here. That's an Exergen temporal thermometer. It was $3. This thing, you might think, nutcase, why do you have this? Well, we make a lot of applesauce. We have our own apple trees, but the neighbors also have more apples than they can use. And so every fall we have a lot of apples, which we make applesauce and dehydrated apple chips. And this thing, basically you put the fruit down here and you push it down and it quarters it and cores it all in one shot. So it's super duper duper fast. I went through one already. They tend, since they're plastic, if you can get a metal one, get a metal one, but since they're plastic, they kind of break right here after use. So I got one last week. I got another one today. It's $1. So now I have 2 of these. And you can also use them on pears. Anything that'll have a core like that. Apple, pear. Can't think of anything else. Anyway, that's that. One of the cooler things, I have another one over there I got last week, but I got a Coleman lantern. Kind of loose. It cost $3. I don't know if you can see that, but you can't even buy this case at Walmart or wherever for $3. Plus the lantern. It's not broken. Nothing wrong with it. Except the mantles are even new. The other one I got last week, I think I paid $5. The mantles were damaged, but this one came with new mantles. Mantles are a couple dollars at the store, so you just get new mantles. I have propane stockpiled. There's another lantern for camping, power outages, whatever, for $3. You cannot beat that. So far I've spent $1, $2, $5, $8, and I have a saw, thing to process food with, thermometer, and a lantern. These hammers were $1 each. If you've ever heard of the brand East Wing, these are 2 East Wing hammers, and they are super duper duper cool. This is different lengths. I don't know what the different lengths are for, but I know that I need hammers, and I know they're American made. They're also solid steel all the way across. So if this handle should ever get damaged, you can jerry-rig another handle, and I will always have a hammer or 2 for $2. An East Wing hammer. Go look up how much those cost new. They're a bit more than $1. Also, this was super awesome. I might sell this in my eBay store. Just for the case, you can sell just the case for about $25. I bought it for $3, and it held an Apache. I don't know if the box is called an Apache 800. I'm assuming the box is an Apache 800 box. Basically, it's a waterproof or weatherproof box. There was some stuff inside it that I am going to sell in my eBay store. It was 2 microphones. for a video recorder. That's what it looks like inside. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I might sell it, I might not, but for $3, almost basically brand new. Awesome deal. And who knows what this is? Show of hands. It's a little tent. It costs $5. I have not put it up yet, so it might be completely trashed. It does have the poles in it. This is going to be like one of those pup tents that are like a triangle. It's going to be green. What are you going to use this for? Are you going to survive the end of the world or any long-term disaster in a tent? Probably not. This isn't, I mean, go through a winter in Utah. No. Is it better than being out in the snow? Of course. This is mainly, for me, a teaching tool. It's going to be used to teach my kids how to pitch a tent like this. They know how to pitch a dome tent, but teach them how to do this and get them to sleep in it by themselves and get them used to camping, being out in the woods, i.e. the backyard, stuff like that. I'll let you know how that goes. The next thing is a tarp. Millions of things you can do with a tarp. Your roof leaks, you got a wood pile, improvised shelter, drag bodies, whatever you need to do. And it costs 50 cents. I don't know how big it is, but it's big enough for 50 cents. So that's what I got. If I find anything tomorrow, I will put up another video tomorrow. If I don't, then I'll just see you when I see you. For the 5 people that actually watch this that aren't my family members, if you have any questions or you have any requests on what you want to see, I've been prepping and into the self-sufficient survival kind of hobby. That's just probably since 2009 or so. So I know how to can, I know how to pressure can, I know how to garden. We raise chickens and rabbits, shooting, all that kind of good stuff. If you want to know anything or you're just learning or just starting out, shoot me a comment and I will try to answer them and do a video for you. Okay, thanks for watching.